What are ultrasounds? The human ear can perceive sound waves from 30 to 30,000 vibrations per second. In recent years, scientists have tried to discover if some living beings are able to hear sounds higher than this, and they have come to the conclusion that a number of animals, including walruses, dogs, and bats, can hear what are called ultrasounds. These are pitched so high that we are unable to pick them up. Since bats cannot see very well, they give out high squeaks which will then reverberate from any solid object so that the bat can tell where it's going. We know that the speed of sound is 340 meters per second. This is a speed which no animal or bird could ever reach, but rockets and jet aircraft, which can go faster than this, have been known for a long time. 340 meters per second is the same as just 1000 km per hour. When an aircraft reaches this speed, we often hear a loud noise, the supersonic bang, which rattles our windows. When this happens, the aircraft is said to have passed through the sound barrier. Thank you.